Happy Saturday, beautiful people. Akala ko walang signal, parang parang nag-freeze ako doon. Good afternoon. Afternoon na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 1:05 p.m. Tinanghali na naman tayo. Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day or your life is amazing, full of joy. You're healthy, you're happy, you're having fun, and just enjoying life. Anyhow, happy Saturday. Weekend na naman. I hope your weekend is amazing. And Rosalie, thank you for watching. Kayo ang nauna sis, kala-live ko lang. Thank you. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako. It's 1:06 na po PM dito sa Ontario, Canada. Super hot. Super init. So siguro iksian ko lang ang live ko today. Okay po? It's 35 degrees outside. Oh my God, grabe. Summer po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Super. Katatapos ko lang tapos na ang sayaw-sayaw. So dalawang klase ako kanina, dalawang fitness class ako kanina. And then pag uwi ko, oh my God, pupunta kami sa lake, mag-paddleboard kami. Mag-paddleboard kami ng anak ko para makapag-cool down naman. Pero of course, kahit mainit, kape pa rin tayo. nasanay na. Ayan, hinahanap ang kape. But anyhow, nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption. Thank you for watching. Yay! 1 million viewers. Thank you. Yeah, so anyhow, nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption is make your money work for you. Not the other way around. Not like tayo yung kumakayod for money. But most of the time talagang yun ang nangyayari. 2 million viewers. Thank you guys. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako kahit mainit ang panahon. Mainit ang panahon pero malamig ang ulo natin. So that is good. Thank you for watching. Richmond George. Thank you for watching. But anyhow, yeah, so nilagay ko po dyan, I put it there, make your money work for you, not the other way around. Because as I always have something to talk to when I go live. Kasi yun ang mga conversation ko doon sa mga nagre-reach out sa akin. Thank you, watching po from Davao, Compostela. Oh my God, do you know, nasa Compostela ako pinanganak, sa Kamanlangan po ako pinanganak. But I grew up in Surigao City. We moved back to Surigao when I was 6. Kasi ang nanay, ang tatay ko at tatay ko are both from Surigao. But hello po ma'am, good morning. Yes, thank you Manilin, thank you. Yeah, so Bisaya po ako, sa Davao po ako pinanganak. Kamanlangan, I don't know if it changed, but Kamanlangan is one of the barangay in Compostela. Yes. Yeah, but again, I grew up in Surigao. Oh my God, it's so traffic. It's Saturday. It's summer. People are out. Yeah, so anyhow, hello. Shout out sa inyo diyan, mga taga Davao. Yes, yeah, be safe. Thank you po. Thank you. Yes, so anyhow, yung aking kasing camera is parang straight lang siya. Kung titingin ako sa inyo guys, parang tinitingnan ko na rin yung aking rear view mirror. So, yan. So, anyhow, dance share na po, ma'am. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Oh, shout out pala sa aking mga followers. Thank you. Lagi ko kayong sinashout out. Every time na mag-live ako, I appreciate. Debbie, thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your na nag-follow kayo sa akin. I appreciate your sharing my post and comment on my post. But anyhow, pag-usapan natin today is make our money. Amping ma'am, thank you. Make our money work for us, not all the way around. Sorry guys, hindi stable yung aking internet, okay? So hindi ko po kayo kinick out, but yeah, so I'll try to make my live na shorten lang. But anyhow, so pag-usapan natin yan. So anyhow, kaya ako ano kasi, lagi naman yung topic ko is inspired doon sa mga conversation ko, doon sa mga tao na nagre-reach out sa akin tungkol sa aking online business. Yeah. So anyhow, most of you guys, my followers, most of you know that I have a business that I am growing online. Kaya nandito ako sa Facebook because I am sharing that great opportunity to you guys. So maraming tao pa rin ang hindi alam na pwede tayong kumita online. And yes, thank you Manalyn. Pwede tayong kumita online, be with our family, pwede tayong kumita na we can work anywhere we want. Tayo yung boss. So yun po yung business na ginagawa ko. So I started my business, my full-time job pa ako noon 3 years ago, and then now iniwan ko yung aking full-time job. Meron pa rin akong trabaho, but wala na akong weekend work. So bali ang weekend ko na lang talaga is ito lang. Nagtiteach lang ako ng Saturday, and then when I go home, then I'll be with my family, and then Sunday completely wala na po. Kasi dati sa resort ako nagtatrabaho. Weekends, holidays, yan ang aking pinaka-busy na time. So wala na. Dinetch ko na yan. So that is because of my online business po. So yes, so kaya nilagay ko dyan is make your money. Kasi yun nga, ang dami-dami tao na Sally, thank you for watching. Ang daming tao na nakaka-watch na ng webinar. I know that they are interested, but something is holding them back. Okay? So, yun. Kasi, I always say, ganun din ako dati, skeptical ako, I don't know what to do. At alam ko na maraming manluloko online. I was scared too, but I started anyway, and then I find out everything myself. Kasi dito po sa negosyo na ginagawa ko, we are very transparent. So you can go in and find out everything for yourself kung talagang gusto nyo, and then bibigyan kayo ng 30 days para mag-back out kayo. So ibig sabihin, ilalatag na sa inyo lahat. Thank you sa mga hearts diyan. Ilalatag na sa inyo lahat. Diba? Ilalatag na sa inyo sa lahat. Pero, at that point, kasi yun yung second step. The first step, anyhow, but the first step is, yung iwas nyo yung free webinar namin. So, yan yung introductory video kung ano talagang klaseng negosyo, kung paano yung aming negosyo. However, you won't get all the information that you need. You won't get what kind of, what company we are affiliated with. Hindi nyo alam kung paano yung process, kung paano mo ma-grow ang business mo ng quick, and then kung ano talaga. So ibig sabihin hindi makuha yung detalyado, okay? Because that is only an introductory video kung ano talaga yung ginagawa naming business, okay? That one is free. Now, if you move to the next step, may $149 kayong babayaran. However, it is 100% refundable within the 30 days period. So, yung 149 nyo, babalik yan sa inyo. Pero, ang kagandahan noon is magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Why? It's because that is when you will find out everything. You will find out the products. Jerry, thank you for watching. You will find out the products. You will find out our affiliate company. You will find out our compensation plan. You will find out the career path that we go. Ang lahat-lahat na yan, it will be laid out to you. So, if you are, kung talagang interested kayo, or if you really want to change your life, itong negosyo na ito ay para sa mga tao na na-stuck. If you're feeling stuck on where you are, na talagang sa tingin nyo is wala kayong growth, you are doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, and then you're still living paycheck to paycheck. So ito yung negosyo na para sa inyo. Okay? Ito yung business na ito. Now, Debbie, thank you for watching. Now, I do have lots of people na talagang nagustuhan nila kung ano yung napanood nila doon sa introductory video. However, very hesitant to move forward to the next step, which is to pay the $149. Now, kaya sinasabi ko dyan, make your money work for you. To give you peace of mind. Okay? Now, 149, wala yan. You go out with your family, you go have dinner with your family, dalawa lang kayo, yung 149, it will not come back to you. I promise you, it's not gonna come back to you. Okay? It's not gonna come back to you. Yes, you had fun, and of course, you enjoyed the food, you enjoyed the company, and that's it. Maximum of 2 to 3 hours. Right? However, kung magbitaw kayo ng $149, then you have the chance na silipin kung anong klaseng negosyo, kung itong negosyo na ito ay makakatulong din sa inyo. Because guys, in this business, we are using this process for almost 10 years. Affiliated company kami with 51 years na po in the business. Rosana, thank you for watching. So, which is kampante kami na our affiliated company is not going to file bankruptcy because it is already an institution. 51 years in the business. Okay? Now, the system that we are using is almost 10 years. So, naandyan niya, how many thousands of people ang naging milyonaryo, how many thousands of people managed to walk away from their full-time job and have retired early because of this business. So, yaan ang hindi nyo makikita if you are going to let yourself, if you're going to allow fear to roll over your head. You know? Kung ano yung instinct nyo. Gina, thank you. Yeah, so anyhow, so that is what I mean na, because I andami, so many people. I ask them, okay, what kind of job are you doing? Do you like your job? Do you like doing the same thing over and over and over? Do you like it? I say, no. Now, if you're not going to do something different para mabago yung sitwasyon mo, 5, 10, 20 years from now, you are still going the same thing over and over. You're still living paycheck to paycheck to paycheck to paycheck. If you're contented with that, then that will be your choice. Because at the end of the day, tayo po ang magdesisyon. Kayo ang magdesisyon kung anong gusto niyo gawin sa buhay niyo, di ba? So, but anyhow, yan yung gusto ko na ipaabot because I have so many people. I talk to many people, and when I ask them, do you like what you see? Yes, I do like what I see, but I want to know something more. I want to know more. Like, I need more information. I said, okay, you will find the details, everything that you need to know on the next step. And that is when you're going to pay the $149, which is 100% refundable within the 30 days period. So, yan yung sinasabi ko palagi. Now, doon parang super hesitant na magbitaw ng 149. Why? That's only 149 US dollar. Kung yun ang excuses nyo, thank you. Kung yan ang excuses nyo, na which is guaranteed naman ay, Linda, thank you for watching, which is guaranteed naman na refundable within the 30 days period. So, anong mawawala sa'yo? No, you're not risking anything. You're not risking anything at all because it's 100% refundable. Bagkus, peace of mind nyo yan because hindi na kayo yung, yes, napanood ko ang webinar, gusto ko yung webinar, but I wanted more information, but I don't want to pay the $149. Why? Bakit? It's 149 only, na it's 100% refundable within the 30 days period. So, anong mawawala sa'yo? No, it's a zero risk for you. It's a peace of mind. Good morning po, watching from the Philippines. Hello. Good morning. Maraming salamat. It's 1:19 a.m. na po dyan sa Pilipinas. Thank you for watching. But anyhow, so that is, nagtataka ako why. It's only 149 and it's refundable. So you are not risking anything at all. No. And then pag nakita na yun yung sa webinar is my investment, absolutely, we are 100% legitimate business. Jocelyn, thank you for watching. We are absolutely 100%. So, there is an investment involved. I always say this, no business na sasabihin sa inyo na free. No. There's no business na free. Pag may nagsabi sa inyo na yung business ko ay free, tumakbo na kayo because that's a scam. Right? So that's a scam. So anyhow, I hope it makes sense to you guys kasi hindi ako magtatagal dahil hindi stable yung aking internet and baka mawala, makick out pa kayo. But anyhow, thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako palagi. Maraming salamat, ang dami niyo. Thank you. I hope it makes sense sa inyo na yes, so wag tayong maging alipin sa pera natin. Dapat yung pera, kasi kung titingnan nyo kung sino yung mga successful na tao, they're the risk taker. Kung sino yung mga milyonaryo, they're making their money, like, ang pinapairal nila is yung pera nila. Investment. Yun. Hindi katulad ng karamihan sa atin na we work hard, multiple jobs. Thank you sa mga heart diyan. Sakto Jude. Thank you. Yes. Kasi kalamitan sa atin, akala aasenso ang buhay working hard. Yes, we work hard. Yes. But doing multiple jobs, no, ang ginagawa natin, pinagpapalit natin ang time sa sarili natin, ang time sa mga anak natin, ang time sa pamilya natin, just for what? Katiting na money. And then pagdating ng payday, paano? Pagdating ng payday, ayan, bayad dito, bayad doon, bayad dito, and then ulit, utang ulit. Yan ang nangyayari. But we always have a chance. Rosana, Gina, thank you for watching. We always have a chance every single day. May chance tayo na baguhin ang cycle na yan. So, ang sasabihin ko, have faith. Kung, ito lang talaga, kung sa tingin nyo, pag nakita nyo yung webinar, sa tingin nyo, kaya nyo. Kung may tiwala tayo sa sarili natin, sasabihin natin, kaya natin. Kahit walang pinag-aralan, yun nga sinasabi, yung motto ng mga successful people, you don't have to be the smartest. Mary Jane, thank you for watching. You don't have to be smartest. The smartest one to be successful, to have more money. You just have to be disciplined. You just have to believe yourself. You just have to have faith in yourself. Miguela, thank you for watching. Na kaya nyo. Because if you say to yourself, ay hindi ko kaya yan. Yes, hindi nyo kaya. Kasi sinabi nyo niya, binlock nyo na yun eh. Sinabi nyo na hindi nyo kaya. Pero, kung sasabihin nyo, makikita nyo, look Car, thank you for watching. If you think, kasi mag-uumpisa yan sa utak natin. Kung ano yung iniisip natin, yan yung mafe-feel natin sa sarili natin. Pero, when you see something, napanood mo yung webinar na yan, and then you think, yeah, bakit? May mga successful people doon na walang pinag-aralan, hindi marunong masyado mag-English. Pero successful sila. 'Di ba? Kung kaya nila, bakit hindi mo kaya? Ikaw lang mismo ang naglilimita sa sarili mo. Yun. Okay? But anyhow, so yes, make your money work for you. Because if you work hard, if you work too much for your money, to get money, paano kung hindi kaya ng katawan mo? Diba? Dadating tayo sa time na yan. Hindi habang buhay bata tayo. So mag-isip po. But anyhow, yun lang ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. So, bottom line, have faith in yourself, believe in yourself, at huwag matakot na maghanap ng ibang way kung paano kikita. Huwag matakot na mag-step out sa comfort zone nyo. Talagang bibigyan nyo, talagang pagtiwala sa sarili at bibigyan nyo ang sarili nyo na mag-explore. Because kung andyan lang kayo, na stuck lang kayo dyan, ay walang mangyayari. Kung kayo ay nagpe-pray na sana mabago ang sitwasyon ko, sana makahanap ako ng ganito, then kung sign nyo na to, huwag nyong baliwalain. Huwag niyong baliwalain. Because if you, kung talagang naandyan na, nakita nyo na, pero hindi pa rin kayo gumawa ng action, 50 years from now, ganun pa rin ang buhay. Okay? But anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So make your money work for you. Have faith in yourself, believe na kaya nyo, and so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to explore possibilities kung saan man kayo. But anyhow, I hope it makes sense. And yeah, so I will see you guys again. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako. And take care everyone, and feel free to message me if you want more information about the business na andyan po sa aking website. My website is in my business page. I know I'm broadcasting from my business page. So all you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then our system will send you the information that you need. And then pag na-watch na ang webinar, if you have watched the webinar, I'm always open to have a one-on-one talk so long as na-watch na ang webinar. Okay? But anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So enjoy the rest of your weekend, and ingat po, and God bless everyone. Thank you again, and happy Saturday. Take care.